What's up, everybody? My name is Shoemaker, and I'm coming to you from the beautiful bottomlands of northern Louisiana. I'm here to talk to you about one of my favorite deck products, the Peacekeeper puzzle foam. Just think about what you take on a duck hunt. You've got decoys, you've got calls, you've got shotgun shells, you've got little Debbie cakes, hopes and dreams that are probably all gonna be crushed. Oh, and that boomstick that makes you a better shot that you had to buy, definitely toss that in. With Peacekeeper puzzle foam, Decked has solved the puzzle of how to pack, secure, and organize your cargo. But don't worry, it's not a hard puzzle. In fact, this is the kind of puzzle that solves itself. Want the perfect fit for your firearm? Done. Want to solve space for shells? Too easy. The whole point is Peacekeeper puzzle foam can be whatever you want it to be, adding a whole new level of customization to your setup. Then when you're ready to shift into whitetail mode, job site mode, or just want to clear some space in your drawer system, you're ready to go in just a few seconds. Listen, duck hunting can be complicated, but getting your gear organized, that part doesn't have to be. Peacekeeper puzzle foam is really one step closer to hunting without hunting for gear. And as for that limit you're looking for, that's on you. And the ducks, of course.